Good morning, everyone. Sylvia here at Mater's Loft. I just got some of my birds back from a toss. The Baron from the driver for Central Jersey Combine took my birds, my brother's birds, and some other people's birds. And he took them to the site of the first race next week, and that's a good thing. That way they know they've been there before. And I missed them coming in because I wasn't expecting them to get here this time, but yeah, it's they got let go at 6:30. It's now, I want to say, a little past 9. So I have to see how fast that is. But my brother, he also texted me that he got birds. He got 4 birds. So, and yeah, I'm excited for next week. Finally back to the racing season. And we'll see how they do. For me, I don't have droppers. Usually, most of you know that droppers make the difference, but I do have a young bird. In fact, it's that guy right there on the right, that I'm not gonna put him on the race team, so I might use him kind of like a dropper, so we'll see. But these guys came in and they landed on the top roof as they normally do, and then they went in right away. So I did put up these wires here. They're not wires, they're just some lines here. It does prevent them from going on top of that roof. And as from seeing my videos in the past, especially last season, young bird season, as well as this past old bird season, they have the tendency to come from the top of the roof, land on this roof, and then come to the board. So there's a lot of wasted time there. So now they land on that big roof on top, and boom, they land almost right on top of that of the antenna, which is what we want. So that should be good. So I got, let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 44 that I sent last night. So that's good. I gotta give them food now. Must be hungry. Over here, I got my my hens, because I separated the cocks already. Well, it's been like a month, but yeah, so I got the cocks and the hens separated, and now I have time to just concentrate on the birds coming in. Oh, there's a bird over there. I don't think that's my bird. Yeah, that's not my bird. So that's what happens. First race, toss training, we get birds that are not our birds. So actually, here they are. The rest of the crew. Well, maybe not the rest, but a lot of them. All right, and that was it. I figured I'd show you that.